Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your video resolution on YouTube. So if you're playing YouTube videos on your computer and you want to change your resolution, you can easily do it by clicking on the settings gear right here. Currently mine is saying HD, but you can click on that and you can change the resolution and quality. Very often, depending on your internet speed, depending on your settings, there could be various reasons why YouTube will start playing and it will start playing your videos in 720p, and it will seems like that's the default settings for YouTube, but I've had experience where I've changed it and it just stay with the current one. While other times you will just open your browser again and start to play YouTube and you will see that it just takes the 720p resolution by default. So if you're seeing this and you want to upscale to, let's say, a 4K video, or you want the video playback to be in 4K, or whatever it is, you can easily go ahead and change that. So click on settings gear, go to quality, and you will have those settings here. You can quickly change them. So you can set it to 1080p, which is a standard high definition, or you can bring it up to 1440 or even the 2160p, which is a 4K. So you can go ahead and choose them. Keep in mind that the higher you bring up the resolution is the more bandwidth it will use of your internet, and of course it could also slow down the video playback as well from YouTube. So just find something that works best for you, that you can work with, and of course you can see the quality that you want from the video as well, and that should be a sweet spot. But for me, I find mine to be a sweet spot of the 1440, also because of my internet speed and so forth, and I realized that works extremely good for me. I also want to share something. I've realized one small thing as well, that for my external monitors that I have around me, I realized, like, if I play the video on my computer itself, it will play fine, right? So I'll play the 4K right here and it will play without issues. But as soon as I, let's say, put this window on my next monitor, sometimes there can be a little bit lag here and there. But it all depends, right? And the setup that you have, the monitors that you have, the graphics cards that you have, and so forth, right? So there can be various reasons for that, drivers, etc. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found value in this video, and see you in the next one.